Gentlemen, I have to be honest with you. Your shaving routine straight up sucks. If you're like most guys, you're making a ton of mistakes that give you a terrible shave. Don't worry, Thomas with Real Men, Real Style here. In today's video, I'm going to cover all the shaving mistakes you need to avoid. Mistake number 1, not prepping the hair. Shaving stiff facial hair is great. If you like pain, the hair cuts so much easier when it's soft. This is one of the biggest keys to a great shave, but so many guys just splash some water on their face and start hacking away. To get the hair properly soft, you need heat, moisture, and a little bit of time. A better option is to press a hot, wet towel to your face for 2 minutes to soften the hair. But to get the best result, you want to shave right after a nice hot shower. That hot water and steam will make your hair very soft. Mistake number 2, skipping the pre-shave oil. The key to avoiding razor burn and bumps is to have a smooth layer of lubrication that protects your skin while shaving. Your shaving cream is the main layer of protection, but for sensitive skin, it's not always enough. Try applying a pre-shave oil before you put on your shaving cream. This extra layer further lubricates and protects the skin, giving you an incredibly smooth shave. Mistake number 3, using shaving cream out of a can. Most guys default to shaving cream out of a can. It's quick, it's easy, but it's actually really bad for you. The problem is shaving cream in a can is full of nasty chemicals, like propane, that aren't good for your skin and can dry it out. Use a cream, gel, or soap that uses natural ingredients that actually nourish your skin. Your face will thank you. Mistake number 4, not using a shaving brush. You can get by using your hands to apply the shaving cream, but using a shave brush is far superior. Not only does the brush do a better job of creating a rich, foamy lather, but it also better distributes the cream on your face. Unlike your hands, the bristles of the brush help lift the individual hairs, which makes them easier to cut. A boar bristle brush is the cheapest type of shave brush out there, but a nice badger or synthetic brush will feel softer and more luxurious. Mistake number 5, using a dull razor. Ever tried chopping down a tree with a dull axe?
Not a great plan.
A sharp tool is going to make the job so much easier. There are many types of razors out there. Electric, cartridge, safety, straight. Choose whatever one fits your needs best. But the number 1 key with all of them is to make sure they are sharp. Most razor blades are good for about 5 shaves before they need to be replaced, while electric razor heads need to be replaced once every 12 months. Scraping at your face with a cheap dull razor is a recipe for nicks and razor burn.
Alright gents, really quick, interrupting my own video here to talk with you about my company VITAMAN and the special deal I've got for you here. So all the products featured in today's video that you need for the perfect shave, you can get as a package at a discounted price. First up, the face and body cleanser. Next up, our natural shave oil. And right with that, the best natural shave gel on the planet. And my personal favorite, our naturally cooling aftershave balm. And let's not forget our natural face moisturizer, specifically formulated for guys like you. And by the way, we're a lot more than just shave products. If you want styling gel for your hair, if you want specific types of shampoo, because you have oily hair, you have dry hair, you have thin hair, we've got you covered. Made in Australia with natural and organic ingredients. Free shipping throughout Australia and the United States, and a 100% money-back guarantee. Gents, this is my company. I stand behind it. In my opinion, we've got the best damn grooming products on the planet, bar none. Gentlemen, I'm putting a special link down in the description of today's video over to VITAMAN, my company, where you can go over there and grab all of these products as a package at a discounted price. And gents, this deal is not going to be around forever, so use it or lose it.
Mistake number 6, using long strokes. When shaving, you want to use short, light strokes. You shouldn't be shaving more than 1 to 2 inches at a time before rinsing the hair and shaving cream out of your blade. Longer strokes will clog up your razor, greatly reducing its effectiveness. Mistake number 7, too much pressure. A light touch is all that is needed when shaving. Let the weight of the razor do the work. Pressing hard only increases the chance that you'll cut yourself. Mistake number 8, continuing to shave the same spot. If you still have a spot of hair left over after shaving, don't keep going over it again and again when you no longer have shaving cream there. Without the protection and lubrication of the cream, you're just begging for nicks and irritation. Instead, simply reapply the shaving cream before shaving that spot again. Mistake number 9, not paying attention to the grain. The grain of your hair grows in different directions across your face. You want to shave with the grain, as it will cut much easier. Shaving against the grain gives you a closer cut, but the hair is much stiffer, making you more likely to nick yourself. It's best to shave with the grain for the first pass. If you want to get that extra close shave, then reapply the shaving cream again and shave against the grain on the second pass. Mistake number 10, skipping the aftershave. Even if you have great technique, you'll still get the odd nick or cut now and then. Using an aftershave is a great way to kill any bacteria and to refresh your skin. There are two main types of aftershave, the aftershave lotion and the aftershave balm. Aftershave lotions are the old school option. They usually contain alcohol, so they're great for cleaning cuts. But the alcohol can dry out your skin and can be painful to apply. A balm, on the other hand, will do a great job of cleaning cuts while also moisturizing and soothing your skin. Gentlemen, which of these shaving mistakes have you been making? Let me know in the comments below. So now you know what to avoid while shaving. But what about the massive mistakes you're making when it comes to brushing your teeth? Check out this video, gents, where I cover 10 toothbrushing mistakes most men make. Some of these are gonna blow your mind.